really powerful to you. I just read this the other day. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot even be touched. They must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller wrote that. Can you imagine if you start to think about all the beautiful things in your life that you cannot even see? You have to feel it. I think about my friends, I think about my clients, and I think about the people who I surround myself with. When I leave or enter a party, I always think about who do I love to be around, and we gravitate towards those people. We always feel really good when we're with them, and when we leave them, that feeling still lingers on for days after. That is so amazing. It is so cool to think, oh my gosh, can you imagine if you spent your life only with people who made you feel good? So here's what I want to offer you to give out to the world. Write 2 to 3 notes a week on letting people know how you feel about them, how much they mean to you. Because you want more of this, you just give more of this. So cool. So go write your 2 to 3 notes right now, letting people know how much you love them and how they make you feel. Till the next time, stand in your power, live your life in magnificence, and just feel what the world offers you through great friends and people who you surround yourself with.